All right, in this question, Nada is trying to determine if a sequence of numbers follows any sort of pattern. She already checked the difference between each pair of numbers, and they are not the same. So she knows it is not a linear relationship. Okay, so she knows that it's not increasing or decreasing by the same amount each time. It does say here she remembers her teacher mentioning that checking the second difference, which is the difference between the differences, and I'll show you what that means, might help. What is the second difference for the following sequence of numbers? Okay, well, let me write out the numbers a little bigger here so we can work with them. I have 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, and 9 again. Okay, the difference between each of these numbers, or what we call the first difference, is just how far apart they are. Okay, so in this case it goes from 9 to 4. That is a subtraction, so it's -5. That's the difference between 9 and 4. It's not +5 because it's going down. 4 to 1 is -3. 1 to 0 is -1. 0 to 1 is +1. Now it's increasing, right? It went from 0 to 1. So now it's a positive difference. 1 to 4 is 3. 4 to 9 is 5. Okay? So you can see these are not the same. -5, -3, -1, those are not the same. But if you look again at the second difference, which is now the difference between these numbers, you might notice a pattern. From -5 to -3, what's happening? Well, to get from -5 to -3, you actually have to add 2, plus 2. How about from -3 to -1? Same thing, plus 2. -1 to +1, plus 2. 1 to 3, plus 2. 3 to 5, plus 2. And so the constant second difference here is just +2. So the answer here is +2.